This is what I do every day for my foundation. I was gonna try to zoom in somehow or back up a little so the background wouldn't be like that. That's just 2 pieces of cloth from Walmart. I wanted it to be like, oh, I can't zoom in while I'm recording. No, but I already filmed it. It's done. The first thing I do is prime, and I use the Nurture by Nature Flash Matte Perfecting Primer. If I could find the camera. And I put right here. Oh crap. So the first thing I usually do is I put this stuff on. It's the Bahi Sunflower Sweet Serum. Okay, I'm gonna put that over my primer. Actually, I'll do this because I have really oily skin, and if you put oil on your skin, your face won't produce oil throughout the day and make your makeup all oily. Okay. I can't believe I just missed. Do that. Now I'm gonna put just a tiny bit more, like tiny bit more. I have it right here and right here. Then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I have 2 different shades. There's 120 and 112. This one looks good on me at first and then oxidizes really bad. So I just bought this one, so I don't know if it's gonna match. But it's lighter, so hopefully it does. This side of my face doesn't have as much acne marks as this one does, so I'm gonna use a green color corrector on that side. Oh, and I broke my beauty blender, or I ripped it, because I didn't like how it was so round, and I would have to like stick my fingers up my nose to do that, you know? The original beauty blender is what I love. I love this one, but I just don't like the shape of this one. I know they have different shapes. This is a Morphe beauty blender. This is really light, but it matches my neck. Then on this side, I have a lot of acne scars and just some bumps. So I use this Maybelline Master Camo green color corrector. You twist it. Then just get a brush and kind of blend it in. Then set it with a translucent powder. It looks super light because, I mean, this side's super red, this looks super white, but it's supposed to match your neck. It's not supposed to match your face color, because if it did, you'd have red foundation. Don't forget to blend it down your neck in case you have a color that's too dark or too light, which I would rather get a color that was too dark, because if you got one that was too light, I don't know, that's just me. I would rather get a color that was too dark than too light. This looks like it's too light, but it matches my neck, so. I still have to stick my finger up my nose to get it in the crease of my nose, but it's my own face, so I really don't care. And it's very buildable. I was using the Milani one, and I didn't like it that much, honestly. Sometimes I forget to do my foundation like right here. So I'll go to work and it's foundation and then there's just redness right here. When I first started doing makeup, I would just do it with my fingers. I think a lot of people, probably everybody did that when they first started doing makeup. I wouldn't prime, I didn't even care about my skincare or anything. But now my skincare is like, I probably enjoy skincare more than I do makeup. I don't know why. I love skincare so much. And my skin used to be really, really, really bad. But this Bahi stuff works so good. This is my second bottle of it. And like, it's one of the squeezy things. It has a bunch of, I think those are, yeah, petals, flower petals. It smells disgusting, but it is so good. You put on concealer. I don't put on a lot because my foundation kind of conceals it a little bit, but then I just do this for extra. Yeah, this foundation is definitely better shade match than that other one, because that other one I would have to blend it down a lot because it was just so dark. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. My favorite high-end one is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. That one is amazing for oily skin. I don't know about dry skin because I've never watched reviews for it for dry skin. Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Kat Von D one. The Kat Von D one's like really thick, but you just add a little drop of oil in it, and that worked for me. See, I hate that this beauty blender. Oh, crap. And then I get red on the side of my nose when I use that beauty blender, like this part on it. So I have to go back and just blend it. Then I use this number 7 translucent setting powder. I've had it for a little while. I love it. I used the Airspun for a while, but that one has a little bit, just a little bit of flashback. This one doesn't, and it makes you look really airbrushed. I love it. Also, to make your face look airbrushed, I use these things. Where did I put them? I use these things, and they're the Salon Perfect Trim and Shape Brow Razors. I use them for my face because I have dark hair, and I get a lot of peach fuzz, and when I have foundation on, you can see it, like a lot. I don't go up. I know you're not supposed to go up when you have peach fuzz with your foundation. You have dark peach fuzz, but this works really good. You just take it and you go down when you shave, and if you know shave there, you know. If you got dark hair, you know. I do my smile marks. My smile marks get really bad. This powder though, it's worked really good so far. I still get smile marks because I smile a lot. Probably doesn't seem like I smile a lot, but when you're sitting in front of a camera, and you don't do it a lot, it's a little awkward. Hopefully I get used to it. Just bake my little acne marks. I don't know if it works. I don't know if it actually works or not, but I do it anyway. Then I stick my pinky up my nose and set there, because I get oily right there, really oily. And I get this liquid highlighter. Like that really quick. Get the clean enough side of the beauty blender. If I just actually put it on the beauty blender, if it'll work. Then when I set my face with my face powder, I don't go over this part because I'm just gonna put powder highlight over that. gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte. My shade is Sandstorm. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. I got it from some vegan set. I used to like the matte look. Like, I like to look flat matte, is what they say. But now, I still like to look matte, but I like to drown my face in setting spray. And I like to make sure I highlight all the right places so I just don't look, I don't like to look flat anymore, you know? I'm gonna wipe away. Doesn't even look like there's anything there, but I don't know. There's the Master Chrome Maybelline, again. Should know by now. I'm gonna use the Morphe M441 brush to highlight. This is a little too gold for my skin. I should have probably got the shade that was lighter than this, but I love it. I love it a lot. I put a lot of highlighter on. I don't care. And do my nose. And then my lips. Gotta use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. God. I dust away this stuff. I leave it setting for probably like 10 minutes. Make sure all the powder's on my face, and when I do powder, I don't like go like this. I go like this. So I'm not moving my foundation everywhere, you know? Doing liquid lipstick. Now I haven't used this one yet. I got it when I was in England. It's the Sleek Makeup Matte Me. I don't know what the shade is. I don't even want to say that. I don't want to mess it up. And I did like just a natural eye look. I don't know, didn't want to do too much. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Just want to do a quick foundation routine. Just quick, you know? Do eyeshadow just a little bit under my eye, the same color that I have in my crease. It's Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette. Quick mascara. And some pale nude eyeliner. So Maybelline Lasting Drama. I don't know what the soft nude is the color. The setting spray, it's the Milani Make It Last. I usually use the Gerard Cosmetics one, the Slay All Day. I love that one. It is so good, especially if you have oily skin. Some of the smells are kind of eh. I love, the first one I got was pink. I think it was jasmine. Not good, not good. I like the peach one a lot. I've had like 3 bottles of it. They always post discount codes. I think if you use code, like I think it's SNAPFAM, you get 40% off everything that you order. Like, you know. But yeah, those are really good setting sprays if you have oily skin. I like this one for drugstore. I don't have time to make it. And I just opened that one, so that was a new one. This is my old one. This is my new one. The thing I don't like about these is the sprayer sometimes sucks. On my last 2 bottles, they suck, so I had to open it and pour it in a new bottle. Just an empty, you know. So hopefully this one, I'm gonna test it out. Oh, that one's good, I think. Nope, that one's not good. Nope, really. It like, feels like it's going in a V on my face. It's not, you know? I like to make the powdery look go away. You know what I mean? doing liquid lipstick. Really? Oop, I meant to focus it. This is what I do every day for my foundation. Yep. Then I'm doing like lipstick. I know my neck, or I mean my crap. Really?